UPM Cold Mix is a high-performance cold mix that's designed and used to permanently repair potholes, utility cuts, alligatored sections, and other applications that require a quick and permanent repair in asphalt and concrete pavements. To use this product, simply sweep out the pothole of any dirt, loose asphalt, and debris, including ice, using unique stiff witch broom. Water doesn't need to be removed because UPM Cold Mix loves water and will adhere to the pothole wall in spite of the water. Once you're finished sweeping, fill the hole with UPM Cold Mix, making sure you overfill the hole by 25%. Then tamp it down good with a hand tamper or gas-powered tamper. That's it, you're done, and the road is ready to be placed back into service. Now vehicle traffic will continue packing it and smoothing it out the rest of the way, working it into every crevice of the pothole, and it won't come out, guaranteed. The same process is used when using UPM Cold Mix on utility cuts or alligatored pavement repairs. Simply sweep out the area of loose debris and fill the large section with UPM Cold Mix. Again, make sure to overfill the area by 25% and tamp it down well. Car traffic will compact it the rest of the way when you open the road back up to traffic. UPM Cold Mix is a unique product that saves municipalities tons of money through labor, materials, vehicle damage claims, and through the safety of both drivers and road workers. There's a reason Unique Paving Materials has the brands to which all others try to compare. For more information about this amazing product, please give us a call today at 800-441-4880 or visit our website you see on the screen.